the baby hair, the fact that it has this kinky natural look and it's looking like my natural hair. I love it so much. I can wear this wig like every single day and people would think it's my real hair. I mean, if I tell you that this wig is not my hair, would you believe? If I tell you that this is a wig from scratch, like every single thing on this hair, on this unit is a wig. If I tell you that I'm wearing a wig, would you believe? Let's be honest. Let's leave like, okay, the fact that I'm reviewing this wig. But if I tell you that I'm wearing a wig, tell me, would you believe? I saw this somewhere on YouTube where this lady did something like this to tighten her lace or her wig straps. Then she cut the back of the hair to make it slip so it does not start hanging, because this wig is not my size. I think it's a medium, and you guys know that my head is very small. So if your head is as small as mine, when you're picking your wig size, please pick small. That's, I think, cap 22 or so. So she did something like this. This is the last part of the wig, and instead of how to put it together like this, and it snatches her wig, so that this piece does not go up. So she did this instead. She strapped the wig, or this part of the wig, behind the straps so it can stay well. Let me try that and see if it actually works. Oh, nice. I think it's worked though. Like, it fits very well. Let's see. Can you guys see it? So thank you so much. I don't know her name on YouTube. If not, I would have told you guys, but I'm very sure you'd have seen her because she does a lot of wig installs on YouTube. Like, she's one of the best. I actually watch her videos a lot for wig installs. So this is how the wig looks straight out of the box. I've not done anything. I've not cut the lace, but it's definitely going to be a glueless install because I am running away from glue. I've been avoiding glue as much as possible, and it's been working for me so far. I love this wig. It's looking like my natural hair. Guys, I love this wig so much. I was not expecting this at all, and for the first time I'm trying a kinky wig, and I must say I'm super impressed, like very impressed. So I'm just gonna cut this lace and see if we need a melting spray. I don't want to do too much on this wig because I want it to look as natural as possible, but so far I might have to put a melting spray here because this is the only place that is like hanging. Are you seeing? So let's get right into this install. So guys, this is a wig. I just cut the lace, but this place keeps hanging, so I'll need to use like the melting spray to hold here so it would have a better fit. But so far so good. If I was to rock this wig like this, it's not obvious at all. It's looking like my natural hair, but we need to do something about this so I can wear it in a better way. I had to blow dry my hair. That's the melting spray for like 5 minutes. I don't even think it was up to 5 minutes, but I said I was going to show you guys this because the lace went in very deep, so you can do any part because you can see how visible like the lace ends here. And I love that about this wig because I can do any parts I want. If I decide now that I want to do like easy parts, I can do that without having any issue, because I need to start learning how to cut my C parts, because this thing I'm cutting, I don't understand, but I want to show you guys what the lace looks like here. But for this particular wig, I like the center. It came with the center and I love the center. For this hair texture, it's giving like it's super soft and lightweight. It's not even, you know, kinkies, most kinkies always look like it's heavy because it's always full and look like your natural hair, but this particular one is not heavy at all. This unit is like nice, really nice. I know you guys say every wig I try on I'm always saying nice. Believe me, it's nice. Really, I can't be lying to you people. If it's heavy, I'll tell you it's heavy. It's something that is going to give me stress. Believe me, I won't even be making this video in the first place. But this wig is really nice and it's very beginner friendly because I'm in my soft girl era. I'm not about to let any single thing stress me, and my hair is the least of my problem right now. And that's why I love working with brands like this that makes things easy for you, for me, for everybody, because come on. So I think I'm going to blow dry this wig then. See, because this side keeps going up. I need to do something about it. Wow, nice, right? You can see that my edges has a better look now, and it's staying so well. And that is it, guys. Easy install, straightforward. It's almost like you're ready to go wig, but you just need to do a little bit. If you're extra and you have a lot of time, like some people, you can actually straighten your wig. Let's try that. We have some time. Let's try that here. It's just like your natural hair, so you can straighten it, you can roll it if you want or you like, depending on what you're going for. Well, let me show you guys. I saw some people on the website, that's like the review. I saw some people straightening theirs, I saw some people rolling theirs, so it all depends on what you want. Do you see? Do you guys see that coil? So it all depends on what you want exactly. You can roll it, you can straighten it, whatever you want. This is the final look of this wig. All I needed to do was straighten, cut the lace, used melting spray for the sides, and that is it. Completely glueless, no glue at all. You guys can see there's really no glue, and I absolutely love this unit and would recommend, because it's very easy to install for people like me that's still trying to like get into this whole wig installation thingy. No glue, beginner friendly, and I still look good, I still look beautiful. The baby hair, the fact that it has this kinky natural look and it's looking like my natural hair, I love it so much. I can wear this wig like every single day and people would think it's my real hair. I mean, if I tell you that this wig is not my hair, would you believe? If I tell you that this is a wig from scratch, like every single thing on this hair, on this unit is a wig. If I tell you that I'm wearing a wig, would you believe? Let's be honest. Let's leave like, okay, the fact that I'm reviewing this wig. But if I tell you that I'm wearing a wig, tell me, would you believe? Be honest with me. Be honest with yourself. Would you believe I'm wearing a wig? I mean, anyways, this is an 18 inches kinky hairline wig. 150% density. Guys, see. If this hair does not even feel like it feels like 200 or even more, because it's kinky, and you know kinky textures are a bit coarse, but believe me, this hair is super soft like for a soft babe like me and you. And this wig is very easy to install. This install was like swift, straight to the point, completely glueless, no stress at all. Details on this wig is in my description box, but I'll have the full name of this wig on the screen right here so you guys can easily be able to get it when you go to the website. I'm super thankful to OMGHerHair for trusting me enough to send this baby to me, because guys, I don't know what you're telling me, but this is my new baby. This is my new baby. Like, I'm going to pamper this wig. Can you see the length? Are you seeing the full length? For other details on this wig, you would find it in my description box below. Please check and you'd get the link to shop this wig. Details for every other thing concerning this wig, inches and everything you need to know about this wig in my description box. Please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to share this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.